Welcome to Simple Science, Make Your Own Play-Doh. We are going to put 2 cups of flour in the bowl with half a cup of salt and 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. And we are going to mix it together. Now just before we started, I boiled some hot water, and we can add 2 tablespoons of oil. Any kind of oil will do. And if you want to color your Play-Doh, you can add the food coloring. So I'm just gonna add about 10 drops. And this is very, very hot, so you will need an adult to help you with the boiling water portion. And next we're going to pour it into the dry mixture. And because it is so hot, we're going to use a spoon to stir it. And it will take a little bit of stirring. And once we stir it for a while, it gets a little more mixed in, then it will start to not be as hot. It will cool down a little. Still be warm, but not hot. And when it gets to that point, we can knead it with our hands. There we go, the color's mixing. And let's feel it. So it's still very hot. Just keep stirring it. When you're ready to knead it, you can put some flour on your surface so it doesn't stick. You can use a cutting board or a table or a countertop, and we're just going to put this down. And you just mix and you keep mixing and kneading it. If you find it's a little gooey, you can add some more flour. Like mine needs a little bit more. And then you're just gonna knead it. So you're just gonna keep mixing it together. And when it's all kneaded together, then you put it in a container and you put it in the fridge. And then when it's all cooled down, then you could take it out and you can play with it. You can experiment with different colors, make your own colors, or you can leave it so it's just a natural color, so there's no color at all. And I'm going to get messy, which is the fun part. There we go. And that's it. Enjoy your Play-Doh. And like I said, you have to put it in the fridge so it will be cold, and then it will be able to form the shapes. Now that your Play-Doh has cooled, you can play with it. And when you are done with it, store it in a sealed container. And it should last a few weeks. Happy playing!